Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing a super cool air mattress from Topfit. Things are getting back to normal, at least in the United States, and if you like to go camping on your Tesla, this might add some value. And to make this video more worthwhile for you, I'm going to give away this exact air mattress that I'm going to be reviewing. Of course, not this one that I already have, but a new one. So how the giveaway works is you must be a current subscriber to my channel. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe now. And then just comment below letting me know that you would like to be entered for the giveaway. Unfortunately, I cannot ship anywhere other than the United States. So the winner has to be from the United States. My apologies for my followers who are not in the United States. You have until July 4th at midnight Mountain Time to enter for the giveaway. And then I'm gonna select a winner on the Tesla video that I make after that deadline. I will also put winner's name in the description, as well as I'm gonna respond to your comment letting you know that you have won the giveaway. Let's get started with today's video and let's check this air mattress out. There are so many air mattresses out there, and I even reviewed one from Topfit a couple months ago showing you all how cool the air mattress was, that it fit perfectly in my Tesla Model 3. Now this mattress is an upgraded version of that mattress in a sense that now it allows you to just have quadrants inflated. So right now I only have kind of a 1/3 of the mattress inflated. You could also just have this quarter inflated and not this side. And the benefit of that is you can just fold this away and it becomes a smaller size mattress. If you have, luggage or storage or things that you still need to store on your trunk, on the side over there, you still have room for that. Because, let's face it, if you're going camping, you're gonna have supplies and things that you would like to store in the trunk still. And if you're a single person and just need this much space, you still have more space left for your stuff right here. So now just grab your pump and plug it in the front, and then use this middle nozzle. And you see there's a big hole. This is for deflating, so make sure you are pushing this in here so it's tight, and then just plug this in here and then start pumping air. Now if you just want to inflate this side, like how I have it, then the pillows also only inflate this side because there's a partition in the middle for the pillow as well. So let's inflate that one. Now here is with just the small side inflated. As you can see, there's quite a bit of space over here, and if you can fit on just this small side, you're gonna have a lot of space to put your stuff on the other side. Well, you have the flexibility to just use a little quadrant or a big quadrant on this air mattress. You can just easily also inflate the whole thing, and to make it a full-size bed right here in the back of your Tesla Model 3 or your Tesla Model Y, or pretty much any Tesla. This will go for other cars too, not just Tesla, but it fits really well on my Tesla Model 3. Another thing they added with this air mattress is they have a slot here for the water bottle. So this built-in water bottle holder is pretty neat. This allows you to have your water bottle handy, and this is just a standard size water bottle that fits here. To deflate, just use this big nozzle and then put it on top right here. Now you can just open this big port and put this in and then turn on the pump. When you are done, it fits nicely in the bag that it came with, and they say that this is also waterproof, so I guess you can technically take this air mattress to the pool. So this air mattress costs $83.99 in Amazon US, and I have a code for you in the description below which should allow you to get 15% off of this product. If the code is not working, please let me know and I'll contact Topfit. With that, I'll end today's video. I have a lot more product reviews, a lot more videos on Teslas coming. I'm also planning on doing a huge video on all the accessories that I have used over the last 2.5 years. Thank you very much for your continuous support to my channel. Please don't forget to enter for the giveaway. I'll see you soon in the next video. Namaste.